Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Rav Studies. Hope you are all doing good. Have you ever wondered why Buddhist monks and nuns wear red, yellow and saffron color robes? In this video we are going to discuss this. So the tradition of this clothing goes back to the ancient history of India or during the time of Buddha, where the purpose of worship was seeking material gains in life rather than seeking spiritual well-being of the human being. So some people argue that purpose of the worship should not be seeking material gains in life, rather it should be spiritual gains in life. So the believers of this thought were residing in the forest, and they were meditating in the forest and seeking answer to their difficult questions like what is the soul and what is the sole purpose of the person to being in this world and how this world is created. And what they were doing is that they were staying aloof from the material world, and one point of time Buddha thought that there should be a proper dress code for the monks and nuns who were preaching this and promoting the Buddhist religion. And the first rule was that monks and nuns have to make their robes from the pure clothes meaning that they should be used from the materials which no one wanted, or either they have discarded them. These clothes could include clothes which were blackened by the fire and soiled by the childbirth or a menstruation bloods. And the next process was the dyeing, and for this dyeing the matter that was used was the vegetable matter, flowers, leaves and turmerics, which gives it the color of saffron color. And the maroon color of the Tibetan monks denotes the simplicity and the detachment of the material world. And hairs are also detached because it symbolizes the simplicity and detachment from the material world. And during that time clothes were donated by the people, and it also represents the Sangha. So friends, let's discuss some rules regarding wearing of the robes. So the first rule is to wear an upper robe, and a second rule is to wear a lower robe and then a belt to adjust the robe around the waist, and the fourth rule is to have a needle for fixing the robes. And the general rule is that he can possess anything which help him in practice, learning and teaching of the Dhamma.